The similarities in situations between the Donner Party and the colonial pilgrims is both appalling, frightening, and incomplete. In both cases, you'll find one, a fairly large group of ill-prepared greenhorns pitting themselves against nature and each other. Two, an insufficient willingness to deal with the very real hardships of frontiering. And number three, coincidental misfortune at every turn. Number three, coincidental misfortune at every turn. Disasters of both camps were initially brought about by departure delay-inducing inertia, which caused our heroes to begin their journeys at absolutely retarded times weather-wise. If fantasy is the refuge of a frightened man and a castle in the air is a safe harbor for a foolish few, just imagine living in a hut buried 12 feet beneath the snow, where the sight and smell of scattered carcasses of loved ones at your feet is just the lay of the land. Just another day. I would like to propose that cannibalism was indeed rampant among America's earliest settlers, the Pilgrims. The Pilgrims. For what does the word settler imply, if not the willingness to settle? To settle for a meal of human flesh, if my thoughts on the subject are to be believed. In conclusion, spread the word of this. Hump back to our forefathers' shortcomings and your own, as you cut your meat and lay the groundwork for a new tomorrow.